I'm RJ and welcome back to my Mythos for week 3 of the Made by Mitchell Advent Calendar unboxing. Let's get into the doors. Day 14, it's the last day of the top row. Let's go. Oh, it is a pod, some variety. It's in this insipid pink again. Let's see. Bronze oh, it's a bronzer. Okay, interesting. Bronzed pressed pod. Okay, let's see. This is in the shade. Some shade. That's cute. It's in some shade. Let's see if this is a bronzer I can actually use. Okay, it's the same component as the blush pod, so let's see. Whatcha? No, that's way too brown for me. It's cute. It's powder. I think it's got ever so slightly sparkle to it. I'm gonna swatch it, but I already know this is way too dark for my skin tone. Okay, I may have spoken too soon. This does go on quite pale. So there's possibility that I'll be able to use that. We shall see. I'll pop a photo over to the left and you can judge for yourself what you think. I think I might just look muddy. Day 15, here we go. It's a similar size to day 9, which was something. Don't know what day 9 was. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's a curve case. Ooh, okay, so this is a decent size. I'm guessing it's going to be 3 different blush, bronze, highlighter kind of things. Let's find out. Okay, folks, this is cute. Look at this. It's got the colours on the back. It's obviously a blush palette. This is going to be cute. Let's open it. This should just pull off, but not with one hand. Darn. This is what I'm talking about. Interesting colours. Look at these. There's 3 different shades of reddish pink. There's quite a neutral pink. There's a bright pink. And then there's a brownish darker pink. Oh, I'm excited. Let me swatch them. Yes, I am back on board with this advent calendar. Look at these, they're interesting and they're going to suit a range of skin tones. The one on the right might not quite be my skin tone, but I've tried to share them out a little bit at the bottom of each swatch to show you what they can look like blended in. But yeah, I am so excited to use these. Yay! 16, and it's a long one today. So I've got a suspicion for what this is. I think it's a lip pencil in a brown colour, based on a comment that was left on my video last week. So let's see if that's correct. Lip trick, I'm gonna guess yes. This looks like too big a box for this though. And it was suggested it should have been here in day 13. Don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's just confirm this is what I thought it was. Lip trick. Oh, it's upside down. Kisses Lip Trick Liner. Pout Defining Pencil. Okay, let's have a swatch. So, yep. It's pencil. It's this mocha brownie colour, and it's just a normal sharpenable point, and this is the colour that it is. If it'll focus, it's brown. Yay. Cool. Yeah, it's a brown lip pencil. I'm sure that will go with something that I own. Where's the colour, Mitchell? Day 17. This is quite a small one. We've not had one this size before. So I am going to guess this is either a bullet lipstick or a liquid eyeshadow. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's getting harder to open these doors now that a lot of the doors around them have been opened. Ooh. This is a Mattitude in Summer Pumpkin, so I'm guessing this is a lipstick. It's a Mattitude cream lipstick. And if it's that colour, then it's the same colour we've got 3 times before already, but let's find out. Okay, this is the component. I've popped it open, but I haven't actually looked yet. Oh, God. Oh, my nails are awful. I'm so sorry. Okay, anyway, let's see. So, top is off. I'm really hoping it's like an orange from that pumpkin, but let's see. Okay, it's like an orangey brownie colour. That's actually quite nice, and it would go nice with the lip liner that we got yesterday. Okay, let me swatch it. No, it's coral. More fun coral. Day 18. We are getting closer to the big day. So today is a nice big square box. Let's think what this could be. So we've not had any setting powders. We've only had one eye product. We've had a lot of lip products. This is the same size box as the lip balm and the lip scrub though. So it could be something like that. Okay. Oh, it could be makeup removing balm. Anyway, let's see. Oh. Brush up. This could be brush cleaner. It could be setting powder. Let's have a look. Made by Mitchell. Brush soap. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, I thought this was just going to be like a bar of soap, but it's not. It's self-contained in a little tub. And it's not solid. Well, it is solid, but yeah. It's just some brush cleaner. I ain't mad about that. Brush cleaner is always useful to have, and goodness knows I do not clean my brushes anywhere near regularly enough. And when I do, I just use baby shampoo because it works. So yeah, that's nice. It's a decent size. So yeah, I will wash my brushes and let you know how good it is. Day 19 of hoping we get some colour in this advent calendar that I paid a lot of money for because I thought it'd be colourful. Let's go! Ooh, it's a skinny one today, so it's a little bit harder to open. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, so what I think's happened here is in here, day 22, there's a long skinny thing that I shoved over from here. I think it's in here. So do I open day 22 to see what the long skinny thing was? I think I do. So let's... Oh yeah, that's definitely tight. So on day 22, remember, we'll have a little bit of advanced warning. I'm going to try not to look at the other thing. Yeah, see, there's something in here. La la la. I am looking away from the camera, which is why this is a bit awkward. You might get advanced warning of what we're getting next week. Oh, God, this is a pain in the ass. Haha! Okay, I did that without seeing what was in day 22. I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, this is day 19. It is... cramp. This text, man. It looks cool, but it's hard to read. It's a liquid eyeliner in black, probably. Matte finish liquid liner. I'm going to guess it's in black because they're always in black. Give me a second. Ta-da! It's Blackwick liquid liner. This is how it looks. It looks black and liquidy. It's very liquid. Look, see that shine on it? That is not drying down. Okay, let me show you the actual brush, because that sometimes makes a difference. Oh, can she do it one-handed? No, she can't. Okay, this is the brush. It's a very fine tip eyeliner, so it should be a really nice one to use. I'm not excited about it, but, you know, a Blackwick liquid liner never goes unused in my house, so I'm sure this will be lovely. So let's do another quick review. I've done a wear test on all of these products, and here are my thoughts. So, day 13 was the Pod Bronzer with a little mirror for me there. This is good. Like, I didn't think I was going to enjoy this. I thought this shade was going to be far too dark for me, but it's actually really nice. It's the first bronzer I've ever had that looks good on my skin. So I revised what I said on day 13's opening. This is great. I use it a lot. It's especially good in the hairline and under the jawline. I usually use a cream contour from e.l.f. and this just looks a little bit more natural. So yeah, that's actually a surprise win. Day 14 is the mini Curve Case blusher, possibly bronzer maybe, for some skin tones trio. This is lovely. I've used this a few times since. I can use all three shades. I have to really sheer this one out, but again, I've got it on right now and it does look good. I love a bright blush though, so that might be a little bit different for some people. They might need to sheer this out even more than I do. I apply these with a wet brush. Well, not wet, damp. I spray it down with like setting spray first and then apply it just by poof poof poof, dopping it on my feet. Ooh. Sorry, one of my halogens just started working again. That's weird. Thought the bulb had gone. What was I saying? Anyway, yes, this is great. I really like it. Win. Day 15. It's a lip liner. It's vaguely brown. Yay, I'm probably not going to get any use out of it. I don't really use lip liners and it's not really a colour I enjoy. Meh. Day 17 is Bullet Lipstick. This looks like a really nice lip colour on the actual bullet. It's kind of insipid and not really there when you actually put it on your lips. So again, probably not one I'm going to get much use out of, unfortunately. The formula is really nice, it does stay on really well, but I wish it was a different colour. Day 18, Brush Soap. When I tell you, I didn't think I'd be so excited about a brush soap. Oh, it smells. I hadn't noticed, but it smells really nice. It's kind of strawberry-ish. Anyway, that's really good. I washed my face brushes last night with this, and I am terrible for not washing my face brushes. They get a bit gammy and awful because I do use a lot of oil-based, like my foundation and my concealer, I believe, are both oil-based, and that can be a bit of a bugger to get out the brushes. Amazing, no problem with this little beauty. This is great. Surprise win again. And finally, day 19, bog standard basic black liquid eyeliner. This is just okay. It goes on quite nicely. The really fine tip is very good. I do really like the tip. But it's a little bit watery. It takes a couple of layers to get it to build up properly. Again, I have got it on today. It does dry down a lot faster than I expected it to from doing the hand swatches in my actual unboxing. But yeah, it's nothing special. It's a black eyeliner. If maybe there'd been some glitter or something in it, it would have felt like a worthwhile day, but yeah, it'll get used. It's not the worst I've ever used. It's not the best I've ever used, so meh.
So this is week 3 of the Made by Mitchell Advent Calendar. Overall, not the best week. Some real wins, but a lot of no's or mes. Okay, on to the final week next week. I won't be posting on Christmas Day because, I'll be doing Christmas Day, but expect the final video within a couple of days of Christmas. Have a very good one. Enjoy yourselves. Eat, drink, be merry if you celebrate. And if you don't, I hope you have a good day, whatever you're doing. See you later. Bye.